Bitcoin expected to grow 3.2% by June 23 per Gov Capital Collector metrics. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. At the time of this update, Bitcoin is down 0.6% in the last 24 hours and trading near $64,091.90. Here's what analysts are forecasting now. The price might reach $66,168.68 by June 23, Gov Capital Collector says. That would be about 3.2% above current value. CoinCodex expects Bitcoin could approach $65,212.37, an estimated move higher of 1.7%. According to CoinPrice forecast, it might fall towards $63,927, an estimated loss of 0.3%. Another prediction from Digital CoinPrice puts the target for Bitcoin at $63,430.92 on the downside, approximately 1% lower. To conclude, Crypto Predictions expects $60,398.08 by June 23. That's 5.8% below current price. This is the most profitable projection today. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. We've seen what each analyst expects. Here's how it adds up. The gathered forecasts put the possible move between a drop of 5.8% and a gain of 3.2%. When everything is tallied, Crypto Predictions has the top return with 5.8% escalation in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could receive between $3 and $58 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinPrice forecasts suggest the most probable outcome, with an 85.2% chance of success. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. The aggregated forecast suggests Bitcoin staying steady near $63,827.41. Now, let's get into the numbers. The consensus outcome suggests a 0.4% fall in price. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 0.4%. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about $4 gained. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 84.6% of materializing. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. A stronger push upward is expected by Gov Capital Collector. According to CoinCodex, the price path is meanwhile set to rise. CoinPrice forecast signals no significant movement ahead. According to Digital CoinPrice, Bitcoin is set to slip. Additionally, Crypto Predictions expects losses to extend. By aligning the forecasts, the consensus points to Bitcoin holding its ground without major changes in the short term. In conclusion, 60% of the outlooks point to a bearish path for Bitcoin. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. As a result, the price eventually moved to $63,309.30. As it turned out, just a fraction of the forecasts matched the move's direction. Top result for precision went to CoinPrice forecast. Let's lay it all out. The daily candle included 2 forecasts. As for ROI, a few analysts were in the green, while CoinCodex led with 0.7%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. The table includes coin data flow with 72.7% forecast probability, $1,352.10 accuracy, and minus 0.4% ROI. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. Let's see how tomorrow's potential returns look across several different coins. In this comparison, Ethereum comes first with 5.6% ahead of Bitcoin. Here, Bitcoin is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. If you found this look at multiple analysts insightful, hit like and subscribe for the next review. Catch you in the next summary.